The roar of the chainsaw, the crack of splitting timber. Chips scatter as boards are shaped with precision. Brace yourself for an exciting journey. Every moment counts. Time to dive in. Honestly, I'm still confused about why the base of the tree was on fire and why the guy decided to cut it down while it was still burning. Can someone please explain this to me? Leave a comment below and help me out. The NTB wood sawing system, a product of Japan, is the industry's fastest twin band saw. Its pre-log registration feature streamlines automatic cutting, processing logs in an impressive 18.5 seconds. NTB offers a compelling solution for automation and labor efficiency in modern wood mills. Phew, that was a close one. I was worried those big guys were going to take a tumble. Glad everything's okay. Whoa, yanking a tree stump with your truck? That's some serious DIY ambition. Just remember, one wrong move and that cable could turn into a deadly whip. Don't let your weekend project end up on the evening news.
Oh my God. You got it!
A showdown. Man versus tree. They went for the roots, hoping for a lumber jackpot. But oh boy, did they underestimate Mother Nature? I am absolutely blown away by the Komatsu 931. It's a beast on those slopes, and it makes harvesting timber look like a walk in the park. Who else thinks this machine deserves a raise? Oh my God, my worst nightmare has come true. Thank goodness no one was hurt. A bus is definitely strong. but a tree is just as stubborn. Pulling a tree with brute force alone is tough, isn't it? Holy smokes! With this 630 horsepower Ahui RT, 800 mulcher beast on the scene, that unlucky stump picked the wrong fight. Mibor SDH chain saw line is an effective solution for the wood processing industry. With the ability to handle logs up to 450 millimeters in diameter and an output of 150 to 300 cubic meters per 8-hour shift, the system includes the SDHD 400 circular saw and the VC 900DE26 multi-blade saw. Advanced technology ensures precise cutting, improving productivity for medium and large factories. A precariously hanging tree, like a ticking time bomb in the forest canopy, requires immediate action. Its unstable position, caught mid-fall, poses a serious threat. One wrong move could trigger a release of pent-up energy, resulting in disastrous consequences. A skilled arborist, equipped with experience and specialized tools, can safely remove this hazard, minimizing the risk and restoring peace to the woodland. If you think all chainsaws are the same, watch this video and be amazed by these monsters. With V8 engines and massive blades, this will be the most exciting thing you see today.
Hey, folks, that's what we're talking about, ladies.
Amidst the snowy expanse of Granite Falls, Washington, a 1973 Kenworth logging truck stands out like a classic work of art. The truck exudes a vintage charm, a testament to the durability and quality of old-school craftsmanship. LogMax 6000B is a powerful wood harvester designed to optimize forestry operations. With its ability to handle large trees, advanced hydraulic system, and durable construction, it increases productivity in the woods, reduces maintenance costs, and improves harvesting yields. The MB-R900 drum cutter. It is intended for the precise machining of natural materials, rock and stone. Thus, using it on a stump is like to bringing a bazooka to a knife duel. But wow, Is it satisfying to see it work? From classic chainsaws to modern harvesters, the evolution of saws is a remarkable story. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you in the next videos.
हाउ आर यू? आप लोग कैसे हैं? ठीक ठाक हो? मैं भी ठीक ठाक हूँ। आप सुनाएं, क्या हाल चाल है? फिट फाट हैं सारे? और क्या हो रहा है आजकल? अच्छा, मैं ना आज आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा कि हमारे पास एक बुक है जो कि बायो की है, प्रैक्टिकल बुक है। ये आप देख सकते हैं, जी सॉरी, केमिस्ट्री की प्रैक्टिकल बुक है और जिसके ऊपर मैं अपना माउस रख के चलाता होता हूँ। ये 9th क्लास की है प्रैक्टिकल बुक। आप लोग देख सकते हैं 9th क्लास की प्रैक्टिकल बुक है जिसके ऊपर मैं अपना माउस रख के चलाता हूँ। तो बड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन इसके रिज़ल्ट्स हैं। इसके ऊपर मैं माउस का पैड रख के फिर चलाता हूँ ताकि जो माउस है वो प्रॉपर तरीके से वर्क करे और इजीली मैं अपना काम कर सकूँ। और ये जो बुक है ये बहुत ही अच्छी है, इसका बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है। तो आप लोग भी कोई माउस रखने के लिए कोई चीज़ लें जिसके ऊपर माउस रख के आप चला सकें। थैंक यू।